Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Explore Maths. In this video we are going to solve x is equal to x to power 4, then what are the possible roots of x. So let us see its solution. So here in first step we will write this equation in this way: x to power 4 minus x, taking x to right hand side, here will be minus x equals 0, and now this x to power 4 can be written as x times x cube minus x equal to 0. Now taking x common, here left is x cube minus here will be 1 equal to 0. And now here we can see that there are two factors that are equal to 0. So here is x equal to 0 or x cube minus 1 equal to 0. So here we have gotten one root of x, that is 0. Now let us solve this side. So here we have gotten a form of algebraic formula. If we will put cube here, so there will be no effect on this value 1. So here opening the formula, we will get here x minus 1 times x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Here again we are getting two factors. So here is x minus 1 equal to 0 or x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. From here x is equal to positive 1, and here we have gotten the second root of x, while here we are getting a quadratic equation, so we will solve it further using quadratic formula, as here is a form of quadratic equation like ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here a is equal to 1, b is 1, and c is also 1. And the quadratic formula for the value of x is, as we know, that minus b plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And now by putting the values of a, b and c, x will be equal to minus 1 plus r minus root of 1 square minus 4 times 1 divided by 2 times 1, that will be equal to minus 1 plus r minus root of 1 minus 4 divided by 2, that we will write here x equal to minus 1 plus r minus root of negative 3 over 2. And this root of negative 3 can be written as here root of negative 3 is equal to root of 3 times root of negative 1, and as we know that root of negative 1 is equal to an imaginary number, that is I. So here this will be equal to root of 3 times I. So here we will write x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 3 times I over 2. So here we are getting two values of x, means from here we are getting also two roots of x, that are x equal to minus 1 plus root of 3 times I over 2, while other root is x equal to minus 1 minus root of 3 times I over 2, and the values we are getting here are equal to an other imaginary number. I hope you are well known to that, as here this value minus 1 plus root of 3 times I over 2 is equal to imaginary number that is called omega, while here this value minus 1 minus root of 3 I over 2 is equal to omega square. So here we are getting two roots of x further, omega and omega square. So from here, so as here we have to solve a 4-degree equation, therefore here we have gotten 4 roots of x. Here are two plain roots and two are complex roots. I hope you would have liked video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.